Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing hail up to 1 inch in diameter. This storm was located 24 miles southwest of Riggins, or about 26 miles northwest of MCCALL, and was moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lucille, Pollock, Riggins Hot Springs, and Slate Creek. Large hail is likely with the severe thunderstorm. Damaging winds are possible, along with frequent lightning and heavy rain. For your protection, go indoors and stay away from windows. If you are caught outside, move to a well-protected area. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Saturday evening for northeastern Idaho. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following County, Idaho. The National Weather Service has